It's time to rise. Every year, the Breast Cancer Awareness Month is observed in the month of October. Breast cancer remains the leading cancer among women and the primary cause of mortality. This annual international health campaign aims to increase awareness of disease, early detection, prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. The first organized effort to bring widespread attention to breast cancer occurred as a week long event in the US in October 1985, founded by the American Cancer Society. Since then, campaigns to increase awareness of disease, to educate people about method of prevention and early detection, and to raise money to support research have extended to countries around the world.
Hello, I'm Dr. Shaiba, oncologist from Aster RV Hospital, Bangalore. Every year, October is observed as the International Breast Cancer Awareness Month. If you happen to look at the timetable of American Cancer Society, there is a month dedicated to almost every cancer, but breast cancer is the most emphasized upon. This is because, unlike many other cancers, breast cancer can be diagnosed at a very early stage, and when treated, the cure rates are excellent. The screening methods that are available to diagnose breast cancer are cheap, easily available, and very efficient. Lifestyle modification like quitting smoking, reduced use of alcohol are some of the factors that can prevent breast cancer. I request all the females to undergo a breast self-examination once a month to familiarize with the texture and shape of your breast. In addition to this, women above the age of 40 years should undergo mammogram once a year. If you have a family member, like a first degree relative like mother or sister, who has breast cancer diagnosed at an early age, or if you are having some members in the family who have both breast and ovarian cancer, it's time you meet a doctor and find out about some additional tests that you need to undergo. Lastly, at any point, if you feel a lump in the breast, then please do not hesitate to meet your doctor. The lump can be cancer, but a few months of aggressive treatment is all that is required for a lifetime of happiness. Thank you.
Every year, October month is celebrated as Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It is an annual campaign to raise awareness about the impact of breast cancer worldwide. Breast cancer is the second leading cause of cancer deaths among women in the world. The National Breast Cancer Foundation report states that every 10 minutes a woman is diagnosed with breast cancer across the globe, and according to WHO, 685,000 deaths occurs globally. Breast cancer has been ranked number one cancer among Indian females. So statistics says every 4 minutes an Indian woman is diagnosed with breast cancer, and every 8 minutes a death is due to the breast cancer. And also the major risk factors for breast cancer includes family history, obesity, low physical activity. According to the worldwide cancer reports for the year 2020, the most efficient intervention for breast cancer control is early detection and rapid treatment. Thus, screening for the breast cancer is very essential. All women who are at the age of 30 and then earlier than 40 years need to undergo screening, which includes mammogram, breast ultrasound, and breast MRI. To improve survival rates and treatment outcomes, it is important for women to be fully aware of breast cancer and understand one's own risk and take steps to increase the chance of diagnosing breast cancer. So cancer is a disease that influences not only the patient and also the entire family, both emotionally and financially. So early detection can only improve the outcome and survival. Thank you.
Everyone, the breast cancer is the most treatable cancer if detected early. As a nurse, what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to educate the women regarding breast self-examination, make her aware that the breast self-examination is the most simplest and easy way of understanding the changes in her breast. What is the ideal time to do the breast self-examination? What are the changes she should notice? It may be a lump, it may be the secretion from the nipple, a change in the shape of her chest or the breast, or any kind of smallest to smallest changes what she notices, she has to bring to the notice of the concerned doctor and get it treated as early as possible. Most of the women shy to go for mammography. They think exposing a reproductive organ or exposing the breast is a taboo. Educate them regarding the mammography, the ideal age to undergo the mammography, the importance of undergoing the mammography so that the breast cancer can be detected at the earlier stage. Overall, make her understand her life is more important than any taboos or myths what the society carries. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone. You all know that October month is observed as Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and this year's theme is RISE, Rally in Supporting, Serving and Screening Everyone. This theme is focused on screening every woman so that we can bring down the breast cancer rate. As you all know that this is the second largest cancer which causes death in females. So with the support of the family, we urge all the women to go for this screening. Early screening helps in bringing down this count. So as health professionals, we need to support every woman and encourage them to screen themselves through mammogram and other technologies in order to bring down breast cancer rate. Thank you.